Right, here we are on our last day. We've just had 3D photogrammetry done on the site by Tom Sparrow, Bradford University, and we finished cleaning and just got a little bit of final recording to do. So what have we got? We didn't find our theatre, however we have found a very, very important late Roman series of buildings. In front of you here in this area we've got a massive wall. This is just the core of the wall. The outer facing has been robbed out, and that was cut by another couple of trenches, one here and one over here, which is where other stone has been robbed. About under the orange string line there, we found a floor surface and a hearth with a coin dating from about 330 AD that was burnt, with another one next to it. So we've got a whole series of stratigraphic layers indicated in the section, and right down there at the bottom an intriguing black layer which shows we've got some distance to go down. Moving along, yesterday we were able to lift a large piece of painted wall plaster. The plaster itself had fallen down from a wall and was covering most of what's almost certainly a floor layer surviving there. The plaster itself was cream coloured with a red pattern on it and some black as well. There's a geometric style mosaic with large panels of decoration, which is very typical of the late Roman period. Moving along, we've got the outer wall of this range of cellular rooms. And it's possible that the plaster had either fallen from this wall down in that direction, or perhaps had fallen directly onto this floor surface. There are hints of something going on underneath here. If you look at the section of this trench, we can see a black layer emerging. So it's clearly something burnt and dark under there. We have had box flue tile on the site, also bits of other hypercoarse ceramic building material, so it's probable that we have a hypercoarse underfloor heating system here. Moving along the trench, within those two red markers we do seem to have a surface, and it is possible that this is the signal which gave the D-shaped anomaly which is on the ground penetrating radar, although it's possible that we've still got our possible theatre down here. But I think now, having seen this, it's more likely that this is a courtyard area which has been remodelled on various occasions to go with the remodelling of our very large courtyard type high status building. High status because of the wide range of colours that we've got in the wall plaster. This surface produced a lot of material, pottery, but also a lot of little studs from the bottom of boots, typical Roman sandals, or caliga as they're known. So we've got those hobnails. We also got a lot of oyster shells coming up from these deposits as well, animal bone, pottery as well. It seems that through time there was a policy of laying down thick sand layers as each stage of building took place, almost sanitizing the previous layer by dumping on it a thick layer of sand. Moving along, we've got the edge of the surface here, which is curving slightly, and again may possibly match the D-shaped anomaly that showed in the ground penetrating radar, but it certainly isn't obvious as the thing that we expected. It's tempting as ever to see this as, you know, a massive earth bank or something, as you might get on a theatre elsewhere in the Roman world, but it's simply not the case here yet. Finally, we've got in here what is almost certainly one of Philip Corder's excavation trenches, or else somebody else going in to do some archaeological work of some kind, but by modern standards they missed many finds, as we had a lot of pottery, animal bone and various other artifacts from here. So in summary, a very successful community exercise involving many people. We've had many people from the community helping in the trench. Up to 50% of our workforce in some days has been drawn from Ellerton and Brough. We've had many people coming to look at what we're doing. So archaeologically, and also from the point of the community, it's been highly successful.